Okay guys, in this video I will show you how you can make your all subscriptions private on YouTube, because on your mobile phone, and it really doesn't matter if you're using iPhone or Android because the process is pretty much the same. So if we go on my profile and on my channel, and as you can see here, if I go on channels, we can see that basically all the people can find what I'm basically subscribed. So if you want to turn this off and nobody can see your subscriptions, what you need to do here, you need to go on your channel, press on that little icon that is on the top right first, and then press on your channel, and here press edit channel, and on the bottom there is privacy, and as you can see here, the first option is keep all my subscriptions private. So toggle this on. And if we go back here on subscriptions, on channels, we can see that this channel doesn't feature any other channel. So this means your all subscriptions is private, right? So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.